Hi, I'm Arthur Wang. This is my personal development video project. My subject, I wanted to improve my cardiorespiratory endurance through running. So I wanted to time myself once a week for running a mile at the CRC track to be able to do it in under 7 minutes by the last instructional day of the semester. My purpose statement. I chose my topic because cardiorespiratory endurance is something I had but sort of lost over the course of the pandemic, but also because being able to do cardio to a basic level is important for general physical health. Some benefits of training cardiorespiratory endurance: increase stamina, fitness, and strength, reduce heart health risks for chronic diseases, strengthen your immune system, and strengthen your heart. Demonstration of approach. Other than just running directly, I started doing a few other things to help stabilize my progress. I began to make sure to stretch before each running session. I also began to make sure to drink enough water prior to each running session to avoid cramps, but also to be hydrated, because otherwise, sometimes I would cramp, and then my time would go up, and it would not be particularly accurate. I focused on my breathing while running, with more breathing through my mouth rather than through my nose for increased airflow. So pre-post results. So the chart on the right is the times I had over the course of the semester. Wasn't particularly going as fast as I could, but I set the goal and I didn't want to make it too lofty. So pre-post program changes, other than the aforementioned changes approach-wise, I also needed to account for a small loss of progress over spring break. I started wearing a different pair of shoes around 5 weeks in because my other shoes were hurting my feet. The week number is also not completely accurate due to skipping during weeks with heavy exams, but making them up the following week. And I didn't have to change the goal by the end and timed myself with a stopwatch on my phone. So these are some resources. So for more information on how to improve running ability and to learn about the benefits of such exercise, please visit Mayo Clinic or Healthline at the respective links below. So there's benefits of aerobic exercise. So basically cardiorespiratory endurance. Then you have different techniques for running to help. So how to breathe, average running speed, and running gait. So self-reflection, my goal outlined in the proposal: I want to run a whole mile all at once under 7 minutes by the last instructional day of the semester. What I learned: stabilizing your breathing technique and pattern is very important to making sure there's enough gas in the tank to keep running. And moving forward, I will continue to work on cardiorespiratory endurance by running, as the time I set in my goal was not particularly lofty, but I may also do some swimming as well because I used to be a swimmer, and I think that will help me increase my abilities. Thank you.